Hello! In this tutorial, I will show you how to select the layer of any object in the Moho workspace. Let's start. One way is to go through each layer in the Layers pane, manually selecting the layer you want to work with. However, this can be time-consuming, especially in complex projects with many layers. Instead of scrolling through the layers one by one in the Layers pane, there's a faster way to do this. Simply hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and right-click on the object you want to select in the workspace. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a like if you found this helpful. See you in the next video. Bye bye.